Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term Expressionism. Introduction. Expressionism was a radical and transformative artistic and literary movement that emerged in Germany between 1910 and 1925. It was characterized by a departure from realistic depiction of life and a focus on conveying powerful emotional states of mind through distorted representations of the external world. This video explores the origins, key features, and influence of Expressionism in literature, painting, and drama. The precursors of Expressionism in the visual arts included Vincent van Gogh, Paul Gauguin, and Edvard Munch, whose work incorporated visionary and emotional elements. In literature, Charles Baudelaire, Arthur Rimbaud, Fyodor Dostoevsky, Friedrich Nietzsche, and August Strindberg were among the notable figures who departed from realism and explored emotional intensity. Rebellion against realism. Expressionism revolted against the traditional artistic and literary norms of realism. It sought to express the individual's troubled or emotionally tense vision of life and society. Through exaggeration, distortion, and vivid imagery, expressionists conveyed violent extremes of mood and feeling. They often depicted individuals facing the disintegration of an industrial and technological society, alone and afraid. Expressionist painters used jagged lines, contorted forms, and arbitrary, vibrant colors to convey emotional intensity. Among the prominent painters were Emil Nolde, Franz Marc, Oskar Kokoschka, and Vasily Kandinsky. Expressionist poets such as Gottfried Benn, George Trakl broke away from traditional poetic structures using symbolic images to express their emotional states. Drama. Drama played a significant role in Expressionism, with playwrights like George Kaiser and Ernest Toller representing anonymous human types and focusing on intense emotional states. Expressionist drama often employed fragmented dialogue, masks, and abstract stage sets. Max Reinhardt, a producer, introduced modern theatrical devices such as the revolving stage and spatial lighting and sound effects. Expressionism's influence extended to the American theater with Eugene O'Neill's The Emperor Jones and Elmer Rice's The Adding Machine, employing non-realistic means to represent emotional turmoil and societal disintegration. Influence beyond Germany. The Expressionist movement started to wane by 1925 and was suppressed by Nazis in Germany during the early 1930s. However, its influence continued in English and American art and literature. Expressionism's effects can be observed in plays like Thornton Wilder's The Skin of Our Teeth and Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman, as well as in the theater of the absurd. It also influenced poetry, fiction, and films by artists like Allen Ginsberg, Samuel Beckett, Ingmar Bergman, and Federico Fellini. Conclusion. In conclusion, Expressionism was a groundbreaking artistic and literary movement that defied realism and sought to express emotional intensity and individual visions. Its influence can still be seen in modern art, literature, and cinema. So this was the discussion on the term Expressionism. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.